Hey, if you're new here, my name is Dinesh and I'm gonna teach you what is a programming language today. So let's see what is a programming language. So first, let's see what is a program. A program is a set of instructions in a programming language given to a computer to perform some useful task. So I will explain in a simple words. So it's just a set of instructions given to a computer by the user. Okay, that's a program. Now, what's a programming language and why do we need to learn it? A computer is just a machine, right? It cannot do anything till it is told to do so. Like a fan, for example, will not start until we switch it on. So, in order to be able to make it work, we need to give it a specific instruction. So, a programming language is nothing but it's a language we use for communicating with computers. Okay, like we use English to communicate with each other or any other language. For communicating with computer, we use programming language. That's it. We have to instruct the computer in simple language. It will not understand. We have to communicate with this machine in the language it understands. That's called a programming language. So basically, programming language are of three types. They are machine language, assembly language, and high level language. So I will explain machine language in simple terms. Machine language contains only two binary digits. Those are 0 and 1. 0 means off and 1 means on. So it is humanly impossible to communicate all the commands or instructions using only these two numbers, right? So high level languages were created. Such languages are considered high level because they are closer to human languages and further from machine languages. Examples of high level languages: Python, C++, Java. The programming languages we use today are all high level languages. And what is assembly language? Assembly language was used during the 1980s and before that time. So in this tutorial we are gonna learn about Python. Okay, let's learn about Python in the next video. Peace out.